Welcome back to English Advanced Tutorial. In today's class, we're going to do a report writing. Actually, this report writing is the newspaper report writing. The reports are on the train accident, bus accident, boat capsize, or collapse of a bridge, and many others. Actually, students have to do this type of report up to the class of secondary examination or Madhyamik examination. And this is a very common type of report. We are doing a report on a train accident. So let's start the class. Here you have to give the heading: Bagmati Express faced an accident, 19 injured. This type of heading is given in the beginning of a report. Just you have to give a title in short. This is the place and date. Actually, we have to give the date on which we are writing the report, and the report actually is written on the day next to the day on which the incident happens or the accident happens. For example, if yesterday an accident happened, we have to write report today. So here actually the place is written from where the report is being written, and here the date on which the report is written. I advise you to give the current date on which you are writing the report. This is about a train accident. Actually, the accident of Bagmati Express, the name of a train, and the accident happened in Chennai. Now, let's start the report. We have to start the report in this way. Actually, we have to give the number of the injured persons or the number of the death in the accident. At least 19 people have been injured after 13 coaches of Bagmati Express derailed and caught fire after the train rammed the rear of a goods train. In the accident, at least 19 people have been injured after the 13 coaches of Bagmati Express derailed. Here, derailed means caused to leave the line. Actually, the train was not on the railway track or on the lines. The train caught fire and the train rammed the rear of a goods train. Bagmati Express actually rammed. Rammed means collided. Dhakka mara. The rear of a goods train. Rear means the back side. পিছন দিকে অন্য আরেকটা মালবাহী গাড়ির. The first part of this line is in the present perfect tense because it is assumed that the accident just happened yesterday and the result of that is also existing still. That is why it has been written in the present perfect tense. Have been injured and 13 coaches of the Bagmati Express derailed. Here, derailed means caused to leave. Actually, the meaning of this that the train Bagmati Express was not on the railway track or was not on the railway lines, and that is why the accident actually happened and caught fire. Bagmati Express caught fire after the train rammed the rear of a goods train. Actually, Bagmati Express rammed. Rams means collided. মানে বাংলায় এটার মানে হচ্ছে ধাক্কা মেরেছিল. The rear of a goods train. The rear means at the back side of another goods train. আরও একটা মালবাহী গাড়ি যেটা ছিল সেটার পিছন দিকে এই গাড়িটা ধাক্কা মেরেছিল লাইনচ্যুত হয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য. The accident happened yesterday about 8 a.m. in the morning when the goods train was stationed on a loop line at the Kavaraippettai railway station near Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The meaning of loop line is another branch line. Look at this image. This is the main line and this is called the loop line. Actually, this is the loop line is the branch of the main line. Okay. When a faster train goes through this line, then the another train is shifted to this loop line. This curved line is the loop line. The another train which is going at a slower speed or the slower train that is shifted to this loop line. When the faster train overtakes the another train, the slower train, through this main line, then again the slower train starts its journey and come onto this main line. Now see, in the morning when the goods train was stationed on a loop line, station means it was the train was standing on that loop line at the Kavarepatti railway station near Chennai, then the accident happened. Okay, 5 compartments were completely mangled and bodies of the wounded people were found scattered around the tracks. 5 compartments were mangled. Mangled means damaged by crashing roughly. And the bodies of the wounded people were found scattered. Scattered means left here and there. ম্যাঙ্গেল কথাটা মানে হচ্ছে দুমড়ে মুচড়ে যাওয়া, আর স্ক্যাটার্ড মানে এখানে সেখানে ছড়িয়ে পড়েছিল আহত বডিগুলো লোকের। Around the tracks. Here the word tracks means the rail line. This sentence has been written in the simple past tense. The local villagers rushed to the spot and hospitalized the injured people immediately. Normally, immediately after the accident, the local villagers rushed to that spot of accident and they hospitalized the injured people. Police came and visited the scene. Here scene means the spot. The government has announced a compensation of 1 lakh for each injured person in the accident. Actually, compensation means a money or an amount of money that is paid to an individual or to person in a loss or for any damage. Here the damage is compensated by this compensation, actually by this 1 lakh rupees for each injured persons in the accident. So students, this was the today's report. I think this report will be helpful to you. If the report is helpful to you, please give a like for this report and share this to your friends and relatives. Thank you all, and we are coming with the next video.